What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. I went to Aldi this morning guys. I got things in to make a lovely homemade soup, got all ingredients in, came home, put everything on, it's actually cooking now, but while I was also in Aldi, I thought for my dinner, seeing these, this is the new hot and spicy chicken wings. That was the packet that came in guys. I should have really took a picture before. But I thought, oh, these look lovely. There's like another lot of this still in the air fryer. I've just cooked them in the air fryer. I was going to do chips, but I thought, no, I'm going to make me Coralicious sauce. This sauce is a block of cream cheese, about a tablespoon of garlic puree. I added dill this time, and I also put some samyang sauce in it. And onion granules, I think I put in this time as well. So yeah, lovely, thick, creamy, garlicky, spicy sauce. And I thought, nah, I'm just going to do a load of wings and a load of dunking in some lovely sauce. Everything's steamy hot. These have literally just come out the air fryer. So that's why I'm talking for a little bit. Because I don't want to burn my mouth. I'm just going to mix this because as it starts cooling down, it thickens up again. But yeah, oh and yeah, and I add a bit of milk to the cream cheese just to obviously loosen it to the, like, how loose you want it. Right, for my drink I've just got some iced water. Cheers everyone. Oh, I'm scared to take a bite first because they're going to be red hot. Never mind, I'll take this little one at the front. Looks like a flat. Nice and crispy out the air fryer. I think I'll try them first with no sauce because they're hot and spicy, so I'll see how hot they are. Very juicy guys, they're lovely. Oh, I like them. They're lush. Wow. Oh wow. They were $3.29 I think, which wasn't bad because it's a massive box. Like I say, there's another load of this in the air fryer still. "20 minutes in the air fryer, I think on 195 degrees. These are ideal for if you're having like a movie night and you want just nibbles. The boys will love these, I bet. I'm not sure if that's a flat or a drum. It's that thick. Some lovely. I knew they were going to be red hot. How juicy. Oh yes. The breading on them's lovely. Kenny will really enjoy these ones. Oh. Acorn. Is that even a flat? Yeah, it's got 2 bones. It's so hot. But it's so delicious. I want to just get it in my mouth. Shows how tender they are when the bones come out clean like that. So nice. Definitely go and get some of them, guys. Really nice. I'm glad I just done these, to be fair. No fries. Wow. Doesn't want to come off. Oh! The bones are burning my fingers. Oh. Divine. How is all doing anyway, guys? Like I said, I'm cooking my soup today. I'll probably won't have mine, but mind if I'm hungry by tea time I will have some, but I'll probably do my video tomorrow for my soup. But obviously then I'll have soup for their tea. Have a drink first. Oh, I've just been online and booked it's called Winter Wonderland. It's like a big massive light, like lovely Christmas lights display over a mile. Like it's like a walk through this park. It's Lees's Park in Newcastle. It's like a mile long, the walk, so it'll be lovely. And in between the walk they've got like food trucks and stuff, but everything's just magical light displays wherever you walk in this park. So I've booked it for to go on the 1st of December. Thought the boys would be super excited. Not only will they be open the calendars on the 1st of December, countdown to Christmas. It's on a Friday, so after school on that Friday we'll head up to Newcastle and do the Christmas trail. So that's something exciting to look forward to. Oh. They're quite thick, these wings. I thought when Kenny's at work I can do a video, and then if I'm hungry at tea time I can get another one in the bag for you. Been on the ball this week. Well, I'm thoroughly enjoying this, guys. I mean, those are super chunky flats there. Oh. The juice dripping out. Super juicy. Just fancied being a bit ravenous with some chicken wings. Oh. They're quite filling actually. They'll probably be really nice as well, you know, when they cool down. Just to keep in the fridge like for a snack. Oh yes, I shouldn't have made so much sauce. Oh. So I have to have a look and see what else is on like around Newcastle. If anyone else got any ideas. Christmas days out, obviously we'll always go up to Newcastle to the Christmas markets and stuff. I want to try and definitely get a Beamish at Christmas. I love Beamish, and every year I say I'm going to take the boys and I still haven't took them. I think Spencer went. I think it was Spencer when he was really young and he wouldn't even remember it. But I think at Christmas time, I bet it's lovely at Christmas time. So I definitely want to try and get there at Christmas. I'll see if Alice will drive it over. Then after Christmas, we're going to start looking into getting our own car, guys. Obviously get prices and that, see how much it's going to cost per month. It's going to be such a luxury to have our own car. Like every morning I go to Aldi straight from the school and I always buy heavy stuff. And then I always have to like get on the bus to come home. It'll be such a luxury for her to say, Kenny, take us here, take us there. Be amazing. And even like we love the idea of camping, and if we do get a car, we're going to treat ourselves to some lush camping gear. And like on every weekend, well not even every weekend, but you've got that option to just put your camping stuff in your boot, go and find a little camping spot. The kids love nature, they love doing stuff like that, they love going for walks and stuff. So just that alone. And then I was saying to my mum, it'll be good even like for to do car bangs. I can't wait to do car bangs, guys. I see his main Kenny should be about treat day, because he finishes work half day on a Friday. I went, when we get a car, me and you are going to do a car bang every Friday. You say, ooh, no, your car bang and my car bang are two different things. But I thought me and Kenny could go somewhere, do a car bang, and then it's not costing an absolute fortune because we're not feeding all the kids. So that'll be a treat like every Friday. Go like test different restaurants or pull up and we can just go all over the place, test different foods. But I know life is going to be so much easier if we do get a car, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to get one. There's just so many options. I says we love York. Remember that when we went to York for my 40th birthday? Flipping heck, we could drive down, stay overnight and then come back home. We could just go down to see the lovely Christmas markets at Christmas time. It's only York, it's not that far away. It'd be so much better not relying on like public transport. Obviously I don't mind, I've done it bloody for 43 years. But it's just going to be so much easier, isn't it? I'm just glad he's finally passed his test, because it's been something he's had tests here, like lessons here and there since he was like 17-year-old, and nothing's ever come about it. But never mind, he's done it. I should do mine next, shouldn't I? Because Kenny literally just works down the road. It's like walking distance, and it takes him about 15 minutes to get to work. So if I pass my test next, imagine doing the school run. Fellas takes us along to the school if he's in. It literally takes 3 minutes to get to the school. Or it's like a 20-minute walk there and back. Because you feel sorry for them, like in the winter, like if it's like really lashing down with rain. But like I say, we've done it this long. Hey guys, I'm full. Those are lush wings. They had the plain ones as well, but I thought, well, I'm going to try the hot and spicy. But they're lovely if you're having like a little picky tea on a Friday afternoon or a weekend. They'll be lush, the whole family will love them. I'm just going to put them back in the air fryer with the rest, and then I'll leave the rest for Kenny. And then I'll finish the rest of my soup, guys, and either way, my next video is going to be my soup, so it doesn't matter to you when I record it, does it? Either tonight or tomorrow. But those are lush. Oh, well, I'm going to go. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, give it a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.